To create a floor plan view for your Chariot site, find the Controls button top right of your screen, click that, and then Floor Plan. In this case, we'll be uploading an image from our local computer. Once your image is uploaded, you'll be able to give it a name and make it visible. Be sure to click Save. While still in edit mode, which is indicated by this icon being blue and this toolbar being here, you can click on this cloud icon to open your unassigned equipment. Here you will see all the equipment that we have created and currently displaying on our controls pages. In order to add equipment to your floor plan, expand the section, locate the piece of equipment you're looking to plot on your floor plan, and click the plus sign. This will give you an icon that you can drag around and drop wherever you see fit. Clicking Save locks it in place, but if you do need to do so, you can always click back on it to move it around if it needs to be put somewhere else. Multiple pieces of equipment can be added to each floor plan that you have commissioned. If you have equipment that wouldn't necessarily fit in the interior view of a location, as we have here, you can add additional floors or layers to your floor plan. Come over here and click the plus sign. And we're going to go through the same process we just went through with our first floor plan. This is a street level view that clearly shows equipment that we might have in our location. In this case, we have a meter on the main electric panel. We also have our HVAC units outside. In this example, we'll simply just grab one of these and monitor this one as our primary RTU. If you wanted to put an overhead satellite view or any other view that would be pertinent to your operations, there is no limit to the amount of floor plan or floor plan views that you can include for a site. The floor plan view is handy to be able to see all of your equipment in context to the location where it's currently situated. You can click on this lighting fixture to see current conditions and see that this lighting zone is in fact on. In the case of an energy meter, you can click on it and see the current kilowatt total in kilowatt hours. In the case of a RTU or HVAC unit, you can see a multitude of points from cooling stage all the way to the occupant set points and unoccupied set points. Floorplan View is incredibly handy in tandem with the rest of the features that Chariot has. We hope you enjoy it. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.